Let's embark on a journey to craft your very first React component. This foundational concept is crucial for building interactive user interfaces. We will explore the basics of components and how they fit into the React ecosystem. A component is a reusable piece of code that defines a part of your user interface. A React component is a reusable piece of code that returns JSX elements to be rendered to the screen. Think of it as a building block. You can combine multiple blocks to create complex user interfaces. The component manages and renders a specific part of your application. Functional components are JavaScript functions that return JSX, which is a syntax extension to JavaScript. JSX looks similar to HTML and is used to describe the structure of the user interface. Functional components are the modern and preferred way to write React components, offering simplicity and readability. Here is an example of a simple functional component. We define a function named welcome. This function returns an h1 heading element containing the text, "Hello, world." Finally, we export the welcome component as the default export, making it available for use in other parts of your application. Here's the same welcome component, but now written using arrow function syntax. Instead of using the function keyword, we define welcome as a constant and assign it an arrow function. The arrow function also returns an h1 heading element with the text, "Hello, world." The final step is to export the welcome component as the default export. There are a couple of important rules to follow when naming your React components. Firstly, component names must always start with a capital letter. This distinguishes them from regular HTML elements. Secondly, it is a convention to use Pascal case naming for components. For example, my component with a capital M and a capital C. Now let's see how we can use our welcome component inside another component. We define another functional component called app. Inside the return statement, we use the welcome component by writing it as a custom HTML tag like this, <welcome/>. Notice how we can reuse the same component multiple times. In this example, the welcome component is being used twice. Let's recap the key concepts we've covered. Components are reusable functions that return JSX. They help you break down your user interface into manageable pieces. Also, remember to always use Pascal case when naming your components. This makes your code consistent and easier to read. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.